Let's talk about the best three types of boring businesses that give the highest chance of success to make people millionaires. You're probably overlooking the easiest path to building wealth, not because it's hard, but because it's too boring to notice. As a quick heads up, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. The real money isn't in what's exciting, it's in what people can't avoid. When something breaks, gets dirty, or piles up, it has to be fixed. That's where predictable money lives. Virtually anyone could be a customer of the three types of businesses that we're going to cover, which means growth opportunity is always present and massive. Most people chase one time wins. Millionaires chase repeat problems because if someone needs something once, that's income. If they need it every week, that's an opportunity to build a system that can scale. All three of these types of businesses can be systematized with the ability for reoccurring monthly income. So let's get into it. The first is house maintenance types of services. Think painting, power washing, and general yard work or landscaping. People get busy and don't have time for it, and there is a constant demand. People are able to start this type of business with minimal investment too. Number two is mobile car detailing services. Pretty much everyone has a car, and even though, yes, car washes exist, this is the extra level people pay for with cleaning the interior and coming to where the car is, providing a massive convenience for busy people. Starting this up doesn't require much marketing and a small investment, but can lead to steady reoccurring revenue that can be scaled. The next one is cleaning services. Homes get messy, offices get dirty. It's something that needs to get done, and there's a constant demand for people to get repeat business. That repetition is where stability comes from. But most people skip these opportunities because they don't look impressive. They aren't fancy and they don't feel exciting at first. But boring businesses scale quietly. Often there are lower barriers to start, and over time, people can gain more customers, more locations, more systems, because the demand for these never disappear. I want to hear from you. If any of you have a small business, please share what it is you do in the comments below. For more visuals and strategies for how people build wealth, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.